What if I told you that you could decrease your maintenance costs and increase your monthly cash flow on your rental properties by just implementing a few simple, inexpensive tips and tricks? In our new video series, Landlord Pro Tips, we're going to tell you all of the secrets that professional landlords and property managers use to increase cash flow on their investments. Stay tuned. Welcome to our very first Landlord Pro Tip. Today's tip, we're going to talk about exterior locks and hardware. One of the major concerns for a landlord is tenant lockouts. Either your tenant pulls the door shut behind them, or worst case scenario, loses their key. At any rate, it's going to cost you either time or money. You've got to either come over to the house, use your spare key to give the tenant access, or you need to call a locksmith to cut another key to match the deadbolt. One of the solutions that we've found is to only use a deadbolt and a pass-through knob. Now, a pass-through knob does not have a lock, so the only lock on the door is the deadbolt. What this enables the tenant to do is to lock the door from the outside and have no possible way of locking their keys inside the house. Now, we're in Virginia, our codes allow for this. We understand that there are some stricter localities that may require a lock either on the knob or an additional lock up at the top of the door. Please check with your code official before you do this. Here's a bonus tip for landlords that need more than one lock keyed the same. Look on the back of the package for a 3 to 5 digit key code. All of the locks with the same key code are keyed alike. Using this key code will ensure that all of your locks in your entire house are keyed the same. Thanks for watching our first edition of Landlord Pro Tips. Subscribe to our page for more content and comment below and let us know what you're doing in your house.